Have you ever wondered if there's more power within you than you can consciously access? What if I told you that your subconscious mind, along with a fascinating scientific phenomenon called quantum entanglement, holds the key to unlocking an incredible potential within? Imagine being able to tap into an unseen source of energy that not only transforms your life, but also reshapes the way you interact with the world. Quantum physics has revealed that everything in the universe is interconnected, and through the power of quantum entanglement, we are all connected to one another and the energy around us. But what does this have to do with you? In this video, I'll guide you through how you can use quantum entanglement to activate your hidden energy and harness the full potential of your subconscious mind. This is not just about theoretical science. It's about applying these principles practically to unlock a new level of power in your life. So, if you're ready to unlock your hidden potential, make sure to subscribe to this channel because you won't want to miss the transformative insights coming your way. Now, let's dive deep into how quantum entanglement can work in harmony with the power of your subconscious mind to create lasting change in your life. What is quantum entanglement? Before we can apply quantum entanglement to activate our hidden energy, we must first understand what it is. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon in quantum physics, where two particles become intertwined in such a way that the state of one particle is directly connected to the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are in space and time. This means that changes to one particle instantly affect the other, regardless of distance. This concept breaks the traditional understanding of physics, which assumes that objects can only interact with others that are in close proximity. Quantum entanglement challenges this assumption, suggesting that everything in the universe is fundamentally connected. If this is true, then it could mean that we, too, are connected to everything around us. And more importantly, we may be able to influence and control these connections. By understanding quantum entanglement, we begin to see that the mind, body, and energy around us are all intertwined in ways we have not yet fully explored. The subconscious mind and its influence. The subconscious mind is a powerful force that governs much of our thoughts, actions, and perceptions. It operates below the surface of our conscious awareness, processing information and influencing behavior without us even realizing it. Many of the things we think, do, or believe are shaped by the subconscious mind, and it holds the key to our hidden energy. But what exactly is this hidden energy? It's the untapped potential that lies within all of us, the ability to achieve more, to create our own reality, and to connect with the deeper levels of the universe. Most of us have only begun to scratch the surface of what is possible when we learn how to tap into this hidden energy. Now, let's explore how quantum entanglement can work in synergy with the subconscious mind. If everything is connected, then it follows that the energy we send out from our mind, body, and spirit can influence the entangled connections we have with everything around us. How quantum entanglement and the subconscious mind are connected. At this point, you may be wondering, how do quantum entanglement and the subconscious mind relate to one another? The answer lies in understanding the concept of resonance. Just as particles in quantum entanglement are in resonance with each other, we too are in resonance with the energy around us. When you align your subconscious mind with a desired outcome, whether it's abundance, success, or health, you create a vibrational frequency that resonates with the universe. This vibrational frequency can then attract the right people, opportunities, and experiences into your life. When the subconscious mind is activated in the right way, it sends out powerful energy into the universe, much like how entangled particles instantly affect each other. This is how you can use quantum entanglement to activate your hidden energy, by consciously shifting your vibrational frequency through the power of your subconscious mind. But how do you do that practically? The power of intention and visualization. One of the most effective ways to activate your subconscious mind and connect to the quantum field is through intention and visualization. Intentions are powerful because they act as the signal to the universe about what you desire. When you set a clear intention and align your subconscious mind with it, you begin to shift your energy to resonate with your desires. Visualization plays a key role in this process. By visualizing yourself already living the life you desire, you send out a vibrational frequency into the universe that matches the energy of that reality. The more you visualize with clarity and emotion, the stronger the entanglement between your subconscious mind and the quantum field becomes. Studies have shown that visualization can actually alter brain activity and influence outcomes. This is how you begin to activate your hidden energy, by consciously focusing your intention and visualizing the life you want to create. Harnessing the power of meditation to connect with the quantum field. Meditation is another powerful tool to activate your subconscious mind and connect with the quantum field. When you meditate, you quiet the mind and enter a state of deep awareness and presence. This stillness allows you to tap into a deeper level of consciousness, where you can access the quantum field more directly. During meditation, you can focus on your intentions and visualize the desired outcomes you want to manifest. By entering this state of heightened awareness, you create a stronger connection between your subconscious mind and the universe. This connection helps to align your energy with your intentions, making it easier to activate your hidden energy and transform your reality. Meditation also enhances the communication between the subconscious mind and the quantum field, strengthening the entanglement between your desires and the universe. The more regularly you meditate, the more you align with the quantum field, increasing the likelihood of your desired outcomes. The role of emotions in activating your hidden energy. Emotions play a crucial role in the process of activating your hidden energy. The subconscious mind is deeply connected to your emotional state, and your emotions are like a magnet that attracts corresponding experiences. Positive emotions such as love, gratitude, and joy create a high vibrational frequency that resonates with the quantum field, attracting more of the same energy back into your life. When you consciously choose to focus on positive emotions, you strengthen your connection to the universe and increase the power of your intentions. Negative emotions, on the other hand, lower your vibrational frequency and create resistance to your desires. Therefore, it's essential to cultivate emotional awareness and practice shifting your emotions toward higher vibrational states. The more you can maintain positive emotions throughout the day, the more you activate your hidden energy and create a powerful connection with the quantum field. Practical steps to activate your hidden energy. Using quantum entanglement. Now that we've explored the science behind quantum entanglement and the power of the subconscious mind, let's look at practical steps you can take to activate your hidden energy. 1. Set clear intentions. Be specific about what you want to manifest. Your intention is the blueprint for what you want to create in your life. 2. Practice visualization. Spend time each day visualizing your desired outcome. Picture yourself already living the life you desire and feel the emotions associated with it. 3. Meditate regularly. Meditation helps to quiet the mind, allowing you to connect with the quantum field and activate your subconscious mind more effectively. 4. Cultivate positive emotions. Focus on feelings of love, gratitude, and joy. These emotions align your energy with the frequency of abundance and success. 5. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your desires. 6. Stay open and receptive. Trust the process and remain open to the signs and synchronicities the universe presents. The quantum field responds to your energy, so stay receptive to the opportunities that arise. By following these steps and combining the power of quantum entanglement with the subconscious mind, you will begin to activate your hidden energy and transform your life. In conclusion, the connection between quantum entanglement and the subconscious mind offers an incredible opportunity to tap into your hidden energy and reshape your reality. By setting clear intentions, visualizing your desired outcomes, meditating, and cultivating positive emotions, you can activate the power of quantum entanglement to bring your desires into fruition. Remember, the universe is interconnected, and by aligning your subconscious mind with your intentions, you create a powerful force that resonates with the energy of the quantum field. You are more capable than you realize, and now you have the tools to activate your hidden energy and create the life you deserve. If you found this video helpful and transformative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and guidance on harnessing the power within you. Your hidden energy is waiting to be activated. Are you ready to unlock it?